Hi there, students. Spirited and dispirited. Are they exact opposites? More or less. Let's see, if you're dispirited, you don't feel much hope about being successful or resolving a problem or a particular situation. So, having tried to do it 6 times and failed each time, I began to become a bit dispirited. Um, I think if soldiers are suffering heavy losses and the conditions are bad and they're not well fed, then they start to become dispirited, a bit depressed, a bit downhearted, downcast. Yeah, you don't feel that you're going to be successful. And then this opposite, spirited, enthusiastic and determined. Yeah, you do your best and you try your hardest at every moment. Yeah, so yes, if you're spirited, you're very upbeat and positive. But you are really trying your best. If you're dispirited, maybe you still keep trying your hardest, but yeah, you're not so motivated, and then it's difficult to give your best. So the team gave a very spirited performance, yeah, full of energy, courage, and they were very animated. Whereas if somebody's dispirited, they have very low morale. Yeah, the situation began to dispirit us. We felt dispirited by the situation. Okay, so you become disheartened. You feel down and depressed. Whereas spirited, yeah, it's showing great lots and lots of energy. She talked spiritedly about the problems that she had had and how she had overcome them. So yeah, explaining. Whereas dispiritedly, I'm never going to resolve this, and I think that's the difference. So yeah, if you're dispirited, you're in low spirits. It's marked by low spirits. You feel a bit dejected, down in the mouth, downhearted. Yeah, and then you're disheartened. You're just gloomy and a bit despondent. Yeah, the situation began to leave me feeling utterly dispirited. Yeah, I didn't think I was going to be able to do it. Whereas if you're spirited, you're full of vigor, you're lively, you've full of courage. So the little dog put up a very spirited fight against the big dog. Yeah, so yeah, you're spirited. You feel good about yourself. You're trying hard. You're quite feisty and vigorous and animated. Yeah, you're courageous. So they're not exactly opposites, but they are quite close. Yeah, if you're spirited, you really want to succeed. He gave a spirited performance. He put up a spirited resistance. Yeah, he made a spirited defense. Yeah, whereas dispirited, down, depressed. Yeah, I'm not really very happy about things. Gloomy. So spirited and dispirited. I think I'm going to give spirited 5.5 and dispirited a 5 in formality. So use them anywhere. And then the origin of this, well, both of these words come from spirit, which comes from Latin, spiritus, breath, or to breathe. Yeah, so spirit as well, from Proto-Indo-European spes, to blow or to breathe. So yeah, I guess if you're spirited, you're breathing quite hard. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Spirited and Dispirited.